What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be doing a weapon cleaning review on weapon solvent and weapon oil in regards to weapon maintenance. So let's get into it. This is a lubricant that I always use, hasn't failed me once. This is also a gun oil that I use, hops, to clean my weapon. Got some tools, Q-tips, can't go wrong with the Q-tips, and also a rag or baby wipes, so have those few things and you're good to go. So let's get into it.
Here's a tab of acid for your ear. You're the plastic and the passion and the magic in the air. The flabbergasted avalanche of ambulances near. The labyrinth of Pan's lab is adamantly here. No assignments, book of rhyming, and I'm drawing doodles. I should rhyme with rhyming noodles. Ramadan, I'm the dawn of the diamond jewels. Finding a way to kindly tell these toddlers toodles. And I'm a kamikaze and I'm kinda cuckoo. I could write a fucking book, non-Kama Sutra. You niggas goofies, it's a conflict that is kinda crucial. Caught you on a 9 and all blue, yelling I'm a neutral. But I'ma let the bull pass like matadors. Versus a minotaur, versus a metaphor. Metamorphoses and I'm a fucking anamorph. I used to go to school with Anna Fideli and Danny Wharf. Remember, I used to bang with the bad ones. To my grandmama told on her grandson. Mama said that I was way too handsome to be throwing the handsons, breaking walls like Samson. But I'ma throw it.
Okay, so in conclusion, I am satisfied with these two products. It did exactly what it was supposed to do. One thing I will say, which I wouldn't really say it's a disappointment, but I had really unreasonable standards for this product, more so the solvent than the oil itself. The oil is going to do what the oil does, so we don't even need to talk about this. So the solvent, I honestly thought this would be a lot different than any other type of solvent. It is good. It is good. And if you look at the actual description of it, odorless, no water, fully evaporates, leaves no residue, no hazardous ingredients, etc., etc. This is actually good. A lot of other products already don't even meet that standard of everything I just read. This is a good product. But when I saw the video on Facebook and Instagram, I honestly thought it was more so spray, and then the carbon is just, it gets eaten away pretty much immediately once the liquid or the formula ingredients actually makes contact with the carbon. That was my mistake. I shouldn't have had that expectation. Maybe if I sprayed it and let it sit for a little while, it probably would have did that. I'm not too sure, but it was more so spray, wait a couple seconds, wipe it off. Okay, it does the same thing as any other type of solvent, weapon cleaner, whatever you want to say, but this is good. It's not bad. That's my only negative thing on this. I spray it once, I thought it was just gonna be gone, but it wasn't the case. Overall, I'm satisfied. I probably will continue to buy from this company, shooterlube.com. Specifically, if you all didn't know, or if you happen to not look it up while watching this video, any other solvent, CLPs, oils, hops, whatever, it doesn't matter. They all do the same thing. At the end of the day, this is a good product. I recommend it. You can also buy this at shooterlube.com, like I said earlier. Stay tuned. We're going to be doing a concealed carry video, holsters, so stay tuned for that, and other tactical fitness videos. Whatever you all want to see, let me know. Make sure you like, subscribe, and also follow us on IG. Thank you.